Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to show you how you can connect Notion to Slack, okay? If you're switching back and forth between your project management board and your team chat, this is a massive time waster, okay? Connecting Notion directly to Slack is going to allow you to get instant updates and even create database items without you ever leaving the chat window, okay? The particular chat window that you have in Slack, man. Okay, so today I'm just walking you through how to connect Notion to Slack step by step. Okay guys, first of all, I just want to make sure that you're actually you know, the administrator, or maybe like you have the owner of the Slack workspace you're gonna try to connect. Okay, and similarly, you have to have permission in your Notion. Okay, so this is something to keep in mind. So you have to have basically your apps permission in a Slack on your admin or owner permissions in Notion. Okay, but it's going to be activated by default. So yeah. All right, if you do not have these permissions, you're going to have to ask your workspace administrator to approve the app installation first of all. Now, second step, we're going to install the Notion app in our Slack. And for this, I just want you to go to More. I just want to go to Tools. I just want you to go to Applications in here. Okay, so just go in here. Now we're basically going to look for the official Notion application. Okay, so Notion in here. And we're just going to click on Notion and we're going to click on Install. So we're going to click on Install here. Now we're going to click on Add to Slack. We can accept everything basically for our Google account. And that's going to be pretty much it. Now we're going to be authenticating into our Notion account basically, and we're going to be able to immediately receive a direct message from the Notion bot. Okay, so this is something very important to keep in mind. Now that the apps are linked, what we have to do is we have to make them talk to each other. Okay, so I'm just going to go to over my Notion application and I'm going to open the specific database in here. As you can see that I want to track, for example, this one here. Okay, so this is pretty much it. Okay, I'm just gonna click on the three dots in this corner of the page, as you can see. But actually before that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come to the settings in here, and we're just gonna go to our connections, okay, in this little menu here. And I just want to click on connect for Slack, okay? So you have multiple connections, but we're gonna click on Slack. And again, you're gonna have to do exactly the same thing. So guys, it's very important that you give all of the permissions necessary, okay? So just allow the access. Now guys, extremely important, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to settings in here, we're gonna go to notifications, once again, instead of connections, notification, and we're gonna go to Slack notifications and we're gonna turn them on, okay? This is very, very important guys, so just turn this on, okay? And of course, you're not going to turn them on globally. You're going to have to turn them on for specific, page that you're in. So for example, as you can see here, I'm on my testing for Slack, let's say workspace or, page in here. So I'm just going to turn it on for this in particular. Okay, so keep that in mind that for everyone, you have to turn them on specifically. So now every single time someone mentions me on this particular like workspace or backwards, if they do it in Notion here, or in Slack, I'm going to be notified, okay? So this is very important if you want to basically save new work or if you want to make updates to a document in Notion. It's very important that you're notified, okay? So they can just notify you here by mentioning your actual like name, okay? In my case, it's this one here, so they can just notify me here. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much.